Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the username of your YouTube channel from your mobile device in a very easy and simple way. So without any delay, let's start our tutorial video. First, go to your YouTube application. Now select the profile icon on top of your right. Now select the option your channel here. Just click here. Now you can see the edit button here. This pen button is the edit button. Just click here. Now you can see the option handle. This is the username for your channel. To change it, just select the pencil button. This is the edit button. Just select here, and now you can change the handle of your YouTube channel. I'm going to change it for the sake of my but as you can see, this name has been taken and this handle is available. So you have to find the perfect handle that is available on YouTube and just click the save option. And now as you can see, my handle or user name has been changed. So that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Feel free to ask any question and consider subscribing to my channel.